I'm Elise Hunter, and this is my husband, Scott Hunter, and I run a social media account called Hunters of Happiness. And we make over our home and DIY things. So online, I actually asked for recommendations for a hot tub on multiple occasions, and it was overwhelming how many people said Bullfrog Spas. Bullfrog Spas had the only spa I'd ever seen that was so aesthetically pleasing on the outside that I was so excited to have it fit into the design. It's a beautiful exterior on the M series and on a lot of the other series.
I was just going to say they have different models for different, whatever your aesthetic in your backyard is.
But even like the steps are beautiful, and then there's so much you can do to make it fit into the design of your backyard. And all the color choices can take you a lot of different style ways in the backyard. My favorite jetpack, well, I feel like that's a hard one.
Yeah. No.
We
like switching. So there's, we have...
call it musical chair.
Yeah.
But if I had to pick a favorite, it would be the oscillator. It's so relaxing, and it just feels like I'm in a massage chair. It's my favorite.
Yeah. I really like the trio. It feels great.
I like using the hot tub as a family because it makes us slow down. Our life's super fast paced, and it just makes us slow down and spend time together closely. No technology, and we just get to enjoy being together and talking with each other. I think just creating memories together. It's a great tool to create memories. We love it. It is very relaxing and feels good when you've been physically working for a long time. We built our Girls' Playhouse in the basement, and we cranked it out for Christmas. We did it in 2 weeks, and it was a lot of up till 2 a.m. physical labor, and we would reward ourselves by we'll get in the hot tub when we get that part done. So it's very relaxing. I feel like I learned so much from having a community online. I get ideas and tips and things that I haven't thought of from sharing a whole process with them, and it just makes it fun. It makes it feel like you're not doing it on your own when you're interacting with people, and it definitely was nothing we ever expected to happen, but we love it. It's super fun. I just feel like you make good connections, and for me, that is a peaceful mind. People, I love connecting with people. That's why I like my job. That's why. So probably that helps me have a peaceful mind.
I do feel like the Bullfrog Spa does help you to relax, and that, is something that everybody needs.
I feel like
Especially you.
Especially.